Are you today?
I am good. How are you?
Good, good. Thank you for attending the webinar on renting to owning, your home buyer and financial empowerment workshop. My name is Vanda Crossley. I'm a licensed realtor with eXp Realty. Oh, that's on there backwards. I'm a licensed realtor with eXp Realty, and I'm a licensed lender with Loan Factory. I can be reached at 773-678-1085. I'm a former educator. I taught at DeVry University here in Houston. They closed down all their campuses, and I love teaching so much. I got into real estate, and so now I mentor and I teach the real estate because my husband and I realized there was so many things that we as a community didn't know and didn't understand. So we thought we would get into the game and try to be a resource for people. So this is one of the things that I do. I do the home buying workshops periodically throughout the year. And I also have fourth Tuesday meet and greets where I like to meet people from the community just to come out and socialize, no really hidden agenda because people need different things in their life. And I want to be a resource for people for whatever they may need. It could be, a pool guy or a roofing person or inspector or whatever your talents and your skills are, come and meet people because you never know who might need your services. So I think we as a community are a lot, I guess because of COVID, we've been held in the house and socially isolated. And so I want to, bring that out to people. So I invite anyone to come out in the Houston area to our fourth Tuesday meet and greet. We're starting to have them at Taste, which is in Sugarland. It's a really great restaurant. And so this coming Tuesday, fourth Tuesday, we'll be there from 5 to 8:30 p.m. So enough of that. Let's go on to why you're really here.